off the track!
No, just leave it!
Get off the track!
Leave it!
Oh my god! Oi! Oi! Is there a way down like that gate there?
Wait, there's no owner though. They might have like a number on the collar or something.
Oi! Oi! Come here! Come here! Oi!
Oi, James, there's literally a dog on the track.
He's just wandering around.
These tracks aren't like...
A train comes along here like once a day, like every day. Oi, is he stuck? His lead is caught under the track. He's not moving.
Excuse me?
Oi, how do you get down there? Oi, how do you get down there? If I go down that way, is there like a fence to get through? Dude, I can hear the train.
Worth it. Just leave it there.
Oh my god, he's on the track.
Leave
Dude,
it there.
dude, we're getting killed. Dude, get off the track.
No, just leave it.
Get off the track.
Leave it.
Dude, oh my god.